The World of Hyatt card usually delivers its best value when you redeem points for Hyatt hotel stays, while Chase Sapphire points stay valuable because you can use them in more than one way instead of being locked into a single hotel brand. By the end of this video, you'll know which card gives you better redemptions based on how you actually travel, not just which one earns points. Here's the short answer. If Hyatt is your preferred hotel chain and you regularly stay at Hyatt properties, the World of Hyatt card is often the stronger choice. If you book flights, hotels, rental cars, and different travel brands throughout the year, Chase Sapphire is usually more flexible. Start with redemption options. World of Hyatt points are built around Hyatt rewards. That means your best value generally comes from booking eligible Hyatt stays. The process is straightforward if you're already planning to stay with Hyatt, but your options become more limited if the hotel you want isn't part of the Hyatt portfolio. Chase Sapphire works differently. The points can be redeemed through Chase's travel platform or transferred to eligible travel partners. That flexibility matters because you aren't tied to one hotel company. If flight prices change or another hotel offers a better location, you have more ways to use your rewards. Now think about everyday spending. The World of Hyatt card makes the most sense when your spending supports Hyatt stays and you regularly earn hotel rewards. Chase Sapphire is designed for travelers who spend across multiple travel categories and want points that can adapt to different trips. Travel style is the biggest deciding factor. Imagine two travelers taking the same vacation. One always books Hyatt hotels whenever possible. The other compares prices across several hotel brands and airlines before booking. The first traveler will usually get more value from World of Hyatt. The second will probably appreciate Chase Sapphire's flexibility much more. There's also the question of future plans. If you know you'll stay loyal to Hyatt over the next few years, earning Hyatt-specific rewards becomes easier to justify. If your travel destinations change often, flexible points reduce the chances of being stuck with rewards that don't fit your next trip. The better redemption isn't the same for everyone. World of Hyatt wins for travelers committed to Hyatt hotels. Chase Sapphire wins for people who want more freedom when it's time to book. Before applying, compare your last few trips and see where you actually spent your travel budget. Then choose the card that matches those habits instead of the one with benefits you may never use. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear side-by-side credit card comparisons.